to hang the ruler rack, I have put 2 nails in the wall, and I've assembled my rack. So these are the 2 hooks that goes on. So all I have to do, and this is directly in the drywall, and it'll hold up to 30 pounds. So no problems with our rulers. And I just hang it on there. That's how quickly it hangs up. And then the hooks just slide right in. Now they're adjustable they're not adjustable on the ends, but they are adjustable here, so you can go whatever size ruler you want. So now it's taken you about 5 minutes to hang this, and it's all ready for you to put your rulers on it. I'm gonna do that. What I usually do is I put the ruler that I don't use as much, I put that in the back. But the rulers that I use all the time, I make sure that they're in the front for me. But it's this quick. In minutes, you are organized. And you know where everything is. And then I'll move it over so it fits whatever I want to put on there. As long as the ruler's got a hole in it, if I can find the hole, it will fit on there fine. And these are 1/4 inch diameter hooks. So you need a 1/4 inch hole on your ruler. If it's smaller than that, it's really easy. I just take a 1/4 inch bit and drill right into it. The ruler doesn't break, nothing happens. It's all good. But that quickly, we're organized, and I can get 28 rulers on there at one time.